Good morning once again to all. I hope I'm audible to all. And we'll be doing lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, time to play. And page number 37. Everyone will hold the pencil. Ronak, please hold the pencil. At the top, we'll be writing the date and the day. It's 23.8.21. Underline it and write C.W. And over here, we'll be writing Monday. 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 Everyone, please write down. Lesson number 5, time to play. Kiansh, please open your camera. Everyone, please open your camera. All right. So how many kids, before starting, how many kids likes to play? Please raise your hand. They can virtually raise their hand. I think so everyone liked it. Yes. सबको खेलना बहुत पसंद है. तिनी मैम को भी खेलना बहुत पसंद है. Yes, everyone like to play. Yeah, put your hands down. Put your hands down. So we'll be okay. My voice is coming to everyone. My voice is coming. Please show me a thumbs up. My voice is coming. Good. I think so. Yes, Tejas, mother, maybe some issue is there from your end. Okay. So as I have to drag down, so I have to remove it. Okay, lesson number 5, time to play. In this chapter, we'll be seeing, we will be listening and reading the chapter, right? So what happened? There will be some small story, so we'll be reading it out. So first is warm up, right? So first is written warm up. So what is there in warm up? Do you like to play? Do you like to play? Everyone likes to play. When do you like? When do you play after you go home? Okay, so here it is written. Look at these pictures of the children playing. Tick the things you like to do. So it's your wish what you like to do. You like to go and do in play hide and seek. You like to swing. You like to skip. So it's on you. You can tick as according to you what you like. So everyone will be tick. You can tick on your book. You can tick in your book. I hope you have done. Now you can see a child, right? He's on the bed, right? Now it is written beep, beep, beep. The clock on the table says it is 6 o'clock, right? So it's a beep, beep, beep. Suddenly there is a sound, beep, beep, beep. The clock on the table says it's 6 o'clock. There was a table where the clock was kept and it was making a sound of alarm. So the alarm sound was beep, 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 and it was saying it's 6 o'clock. Samir opened his eyes. Samir opened his eyes. When the alarm was there, Samir opened his eyes. So now the words which you have to underline it is beep, beep, clock, table, opens eyes. These are the words which you have to underline. He jumps out of the bed. He quickly combs his hair. He puts on his shoes. So what happened? There was a clock on the table. It was beeping, and the clock was saying it's 6 o'clock. So me opened his eyes. He jumped. He was very excited, and he combed his hair by himself, and he put on his shoes. So you'll be underlining jump, bed, quickly combs hair, shoes. Please underline it. Everyone done? Kiansh, I can only see your fan, dear. Okay. So now, excuse me. Now I'm turning to the next page. Now, you'll be turning to page number 38. He opens the door. He is ready. What happened? The alarm ring, and the alarm beeped out, and the alarm was saying it's 6 o'clock, and he woke up. He came out of the bed. He quickly combed his hair and putting on his shoes, and he opened the door, and he was ready. So suddenly what happens? Let's read now. Sami, what are you doing? His mother asked. The Samir's mother came over there, and she asked, Samir, what are you doing? So he said in his reply, I am going out to play, says Samir. It's 6 o'clock. My friends are waiting. So he was very excited that he was going out for the play. So he said, I'm going outside with my friends. My friends are waiting, right? So his mother starts laughing. His mother starts laughing. Come back, says Summer's mother. So Summer was going. So Summer's mother said, no, come back, come back. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, so not in the evening. All right. So the mother said, it's the morning 6 o'clock, not the evening, because hum 6 baje subah early in the morning we don't go, right? We go by the evening timings, right? So the mother said, informed him that it's the morning, it's not the evening. Summer looked out the window. It was dark outside. He started laughing too. So he also started laughing. Okay. Again, I will be explaining this to you, everyone. But before that, you will be doing the underline. Opens, door, ready, mother, play, friends, waiting. Waiting means wait karna. Okay. Starts laughing, back, mother has been done, morning, evening, window, dark outside. Okay, these are the words which you have to underline. Ab, I will be explaining you one more time. This chapter says time to play, right? So summer was there. You were there was a sound of beep beep beep. This was a sound of alarm, all right, and it was 6 o'clock. So he opened his eyes. उसने अपना आंखें खोली. उसने अपना आंखें जैसे ही खोला वो फटाफट क्विकली अपने बेड से बाहर आया और उसने क्या किया. एक्सक्यूज मी, सॉरी. उसने फटाफट अपना कॉम किया, खुद ही कॉम किया, शूज पहने एंड अपना डोर खोला. और बाहर जैसे ही जाते वक्त क्या हुआ, मम्मा ने पूछा, समीर वेयर आर यू गोइंग, कहाँ जा रहे हो आप. So he said, I'm going outside to play. My friends are waiting. My friends are waiting. My friends are waiting. Then what he said, the mother said, oh, the mother started laughing. Mama हंसने लग गई. And उसने mama ने कहा, come back, don't go right now. It is morning. It's not the evening. And Summer was looked outside the window and it was dark outside. It was dark outside. And he also started laughing. He also started laughing. Okay. So this is the small lesson about time to play. So everyone likes to play, right? Everyone likes to play. So okay, now I'll be asking this the chapter, right? मैं chapter में से किसी को बोलूंगी to tell the story जो मैंने सुना. Let me see कि कितने बच्चे ध्यान से मेरा बात सुनते हैं. Okay, so they can speak in English, they can speak in Hindi. Okay, anyway, if you're speaking in English, much more better. Okay, so now Ronak will tell me. Ronak, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, आपने story में क्या क्या ध्यान दी, आपने tell me what has happened in the chapter.
Samir is open his eyes and play outside. The Samir mom is laughing because evening is there.
Because it
In
was
outside.
morning. Because it was morning outside. It was not evening. Okay. Navya's mother or sister, I don't know who is sitting. Please put the camera in a proper way. Yeah. Okay. Very good, Ronak. Now I'll be asking one more child. Umang. Umang will tell me. Umang.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, underline words बताना.
Underline words बताऊं मैं? अच्छा. Just wait. मैं पहले story सुन लेती हूँ मैं. Then मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Wait, I will tell you. तन्मय, can you tell me? आपने क्या सुना इस chapter में? Good morning. Can you tell me?
Samir open his eyes.
Very good.
Comb hairs.
Very good.
Putting shoes.
Very nice.
He opened door.
And
Samir is ready.
Summer is writing.
Samir is ready.
Ready. Okay.
Go to play.
Okay.
Mom is laughing. Samir, come back. Not morning 6 o'clock.
It was not evening, it was morning. Okay, very good. It was morning, not the evening.
Samir looks at windows.
Very good. Okay, it was morning, not the evening, because he thought like it was evening 6 o'clock. So he was very excited about it. And he jumped out the bed uh, and they laughed that then he realized that it was morning, not the evening. So this is how he was, the story tells. Now we'll be doing the exercise which is there in the book. So everyone please take out your pencil. We'll be doing that. I will be dragging down. I hope you can see. Question number A, answer these questions. Why does Samir open his eyes? Why does Samir open his eyes? Who will answer me this question? Cesar?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why he opened his eyes?
Because he's so excited.
Huh?
Because he's so excited.
Come again. I'm not able to listen you properly.
Because he's so excited.
Excited. Okay. But okay, good. That's the emotion you are telling. That's the emotion you are telling. No, like how he opened his eyes. उसने कब अपने आंखें खोला? वहां पे कुछ हुआ था ना, कोई आवाज आया था, क्या था वो?
Beep, 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 beep.
Yes, the clock. So you'll be writing the clock beeps. And you can write and it's it is 6 o'clock. All right. Now, what is Samir ready for? Nivesh Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
समीर किस चीज के लिए रेडी हो रहा था बच्चे?
Ma'am, going to play.
Very good, to play. So you will be writing to play. Why does his mother laugh? Kiansh, can you tell me? Kiansh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Why her mother was, why does his mother laugh? उसकी मम्मा क्यों हंसी? समीर की मम्मा?
मम्मा वो 6 o'clock वो क्योंकि नीचे खेलने जा रहा था.
हाँ, लेकिन वो
Morning
क्या
के.
था? मॉर्निंग था. वेरी गुड, बिकॉज इट वॉज मॉर्निंग. वेरी गुड. So you will be writing because because it is 6 in the morning. समीर सोच रहा था that was evening. Okay, but वो exactly क्या था? Morning में था. Okay, who says these words? It's 6 o'clock. My friends are waiting. Who said? ये sentence किसने बोला है? ये बताना है. Vedarsh, can you tell me who said these words? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Sameer
Sorry?
is Sameer is
Hmm. These were
these words.
very good. So you will be only writing Sameer. You will be not writing the whole sentence as it will be coming in your third term, Sameer. So you will be only writing Sameer. Okay, Vedash, please mute yourself. Please look to it.